Hello, friends. On New Year's Eve, I propose to make for your son or younger brother, the simplest mechanical toy. Build it with the child, and he will remember this event for life. Even if he has all the high-tech Chinese plastic, to implement this project we will need a wooden coil from threads, a remnant from the bathroom, a clip, a pair of stationary rubber bands, a toothpick or a match and a piece of wire. Also does not prevent the presence of any tool. Since we will build a simplified model of the Tsar-Tank, to improve the patency, we will cut small bits on the rims of the coil. At the time of my childhood, this toy really was called Tsar-Tank, apparently for some constructive similarity with the design of the Russian engineer Nikolai Lebedenko of the same name. The tank, 18 meters long and 9 meters high, never took part in any battle. On tests, his rear skating rink was stuck in a soft ground, and he signed the verdict of this ridiculous design. It should be noted that our large-scale model will make it easy to see the shortcomings of this Tsar-Tank. If you check the passability of the tank, leaving sulfur at the end of the match, which will simulate the rear skating rink, and then remove the sulfur, you will immediately notice the difference. Well, the wheels of our toys are ready. Now we will cut out of the soap a friction clutch retarder. It is best to handle soap, which has been used for a long time in the bathroom and has accumulated a sufficient amount of moisture. We will give one of the sides of the workpiece a flat surface, which in the future will become part of the friction pair that slows the clutch. Cut the edges of the workpiece so that the diameter of the future washer is less than the diameter of the coil rims by 8 to 10 millimeters, and then round the edges with a knife. In the center of the washer, we'll make out an opening through which we cut through the groove to the size of a toothpick or a match. I use the knife and the end of the match, like a scraper, to deepen the groove for a secure fixation of the toothpick. Drill the hole with a drill or a scalpel. We will give the final shape of the washer, ensuring the centering of the hole. That's what we got. And so we already have two basic details of the design. Now it remains only to collect them from this drawing. We make two shallow holes from one of the ends of the coil. I use a 3-sided silo, but you can use a conventional awl or a thin drill. We make from a clerical scraper a cramp of such size that its ends coincide with the holes already made. With the help of a piece of wire, we will pass the circular clerical rubber bands through the washer. Cut one of the edges of the toothpick. We fix the toothpick with rubber bands. We pass the rubber bands through the hole in the coil and fix them with a metal bracket. We'll get a rubber engine. We will conduct field tests. We will pack the toy in a box. Give the child. Happy New Year, friends!